here we have my iPAQ collection, many from car boot sales. I think one item I got from eBay, and then this little beauty I got from a charity shop. Lovely jubbly. I think the first thing to do is start with the power adapter. Let's have a quick look at this. Yep, the cable seems to be okay, in good condition. Oh, looks like it might have been Iris components at one point, but shh, don't tell anybody. And it was last tested for electrical safety in 2001. No, you can't quite see that, but trust me, it says 2001. Right, first things first, let's plug this in. Oh, that's a good start. This one works. If I stick that there, you can just about see it. Right, let's see if I can zoom in a bit. There we go. Right, oh, there's no pen. Sorry, not pen, stylus. Ooh, that one's got one, but that's stuck in. That one hasn't. Ooh, I think that needs a little bit of a clean look. Look at that minging. Okay. Trusty AF foam cleaner. Just dry it off, look. Wowee. That looks as good as new, look. All that crap's gone. Tap the screen. What we're doing now is we're just aligning the screen. Let's press next. Now, because we're a first time user, it's making sure we understand how to use the iPAQ. So it's just told me if I hold the stylus down on the screen, you can right click. So that's what it's asking me to do now. Press cut. And now go in here, hold it down and press paste. Where are we? Well, we're not in the USA, are we? London, United Kingdom, Greenwich Mean Time. Tap the screen to begin using your device. Now these were a bit of a novelty. I remember having them at work, and pretty much all we did was have our calendars on it. That was it. It was a very expensive gadget for having your calendars on, because well, you had to hook it up to a cable, one of these cradle things here, which went to your PC via a serial port, and that's how you updated it. There's no Wi-Fi back in those days. I mean, obviously, yes, it existed, but it was very expensive, and it wasn't as commonplace as it is now. I mean, for crying out loud, we got it in our homes. Back then it was very expensive, and you were lucky to have it in your business. You certainly wouldn't have it all over the place like nowadays. Right, tap here to set the owner information. Oh, we can bang it all in there. Now, look, it's a lot of typing. You see how small this stylus is and how small this screen is, and the keyboard. God, blimey. Well, luckily, I picked up one of these the other day. Look at that. I've opened it out, and then you slide that bit in there, that bit in there. You've now got a laptop sized keyboard, and somewhere here that comes out, that flips up, and there's a connector there that you connect your iPAQ to, and it boasts on the packaging that you can still keep the power cable in. Well, we'll see. Oh, doesn't look like it really, does it? That? No, you can't really. Well, that's a real shame, because look, as soon as I pull the power, whew, it's gone, because the battery's obviously shot. Whoa! Let's bring the camera down a bit. You can just about see. Right, tap the screen like it said before. Ooh, oh look, we even got a start menu up. Oh, this one's beeping at me. Let's go to settings and have a look in here. Go into owner information, see if this keyboard works. Names. No. Well, rather naively, I just assumed you could plug this keyboard straight into any iPAQ. But no, you got to install the driver for it on the iPAQ. And to do that, not only do you need this, but you also need a laptop. And not only that, you need the iPAQ software for the Pocket PC software to be installed so you can actually access your iPAQ. I'm currently burning that to a disk now, so with the magic of video editing, I'm going to click my fingers and there will be a laptop here with the 2 discs ready to go. And ta-da! A laptop appears just like magic. So the first thing we need to do is install the Microsoft Active Sync program, because that is used by all the Pocket PC devices to communicate with the laptop and vice versa, and transfer calendar items and whatnot across and synchronize them. Ooh, something's happening. Yes, I do want to allow that. Ooh, got some music. Let's click on that play button and see what happens. Anything happening, or am I being impatient? Should I press it again? What do you reckon? Oh, no, I've been impatient. Ah, here we go. Right, start here. That's always a good place to start. Blah blah blah. 1, install Active Sync. Do that and then download something or other. Right, let's see what happens. Install Active Sync. Yeah. Run. Yes, I do want to run it, thank you. Yes, let's set it up. Yep, that'll do. Ooh, updating the system. Right, get connected. Here we go. Oh, the iPAQ's doing something. Well, I think that means it's connected. So, before you can synchronize information, would you like to set up a partnership? Yes, please. Yep, we'll leave those default settings. There we go, Active Sync. Right, number 2 is to install the Windows firewall, unblock. Right, then it said to do this as step number 2, wasn't it? Install the Pocket PC upgrade. Let's press run, run again, next. Yes, tick that. Next. Oh, hang on a minute. Something hidden. Next. 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 Oh, it seems connected via serial. Okay, I guess this is just updating the firmware if it needs updating on the iPAQ. Let's press upgrade, see what happens. Oh no! There we go, that's proving it's already on 2.14, which is what's on this disk. So there we go, it seems to be up to date. So that's ActiveSync installed. Let's pop that just there. Now let's install this Targus Stoway keyboard software. Let me see what happens. Yes, we'll use the default installation directory. Thank you very much. Oh. Don't know if you can see that, but it says keyboard is ready for use. Now the only problem I've got is that there's no battery on this. So every time I remove the power source it loses everything. So let me press OK. I'm going to press the power button. So that's gone off, but as soon as I remove the power from here, it's going to think it's been reset, look. Yeah, look, it wants me to start again. Now, I wonder if it's wiped everything or if it's kept the actual drivers on here. Now, with this keyboard, you are supposed to get a right-angled power connector. The idea being that when you try and hook this into here, look, it's sort of in the way of the keyboard. The power cable just won't go in. But it should come with one, but this was second hand off of eBay, so yeah. No, I don't think it's connecting properly. We've got the theory anyway. What we haven't got is an actual working keyboard yet. Just had an idea. I wonder if I actually do a reset, a soft reset, because just here, look, there's a soft reset switch. I'm just going to poke it in. Oh. I don't think you can quite see that. See if we can zoom in. Oh, it's working. So I had installed it right. All I needed to do was turn it off and back on again. So actually, it's alright. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's have a look at what is actually on this iPAQ, shall we? Let's pop this keyboard away. Let's use that as a bit of a stand. Right, let's have a quick look around the iPAQ. On the start menu, so there's the Stowaway keyboard settings. That wasn't working earlier, but it is now, so fantastic. Go back on the start menu, let's have a look. What programs have we got? Well, we've got Pocket Word, so you can do your gibberish writing. Obviously Excel, so you can do your gibberish spreadsheets, and obviously the games. Solitaire, look, oh yeah, who remembers Solitaire? I think we all do, don't we? Let's close all those down. Obviously got the standard calendar, which is what this was mainly used for. Internet Explorer, because you could browse the internet if you were connected to your PC. Yeah, so you put it in your dock on the serial or USB if you were fancier and newer, or infrared, and you could browse the internet, but you've got to be right next to your PC, so surely you just use your PC. So yeah, quite ahead of the game really, because we know all these sort of things we take for granted on our smartphones. What else have we got? Infrared, blah blah blah, file explorer. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it, other than the calculator, you know. And they've been around since Clive Sinclair, haven't they? So, right, I think the next thing to have a look at is that camera. Right, now to have a go with this little beauty. Now, first thing we need to do, as with the keyboard, is install the software. Now, we've already got Active Sync installed, so let's put the CD in and see what happens. Right, I guess we go with install products. Install Nexicam. Finish. Ooh. The Nexicam driver and application installation succeeded. It requires resetting the Pocket PC. Yes or no? Wow. What do you think? Oh, do you know what that noise was? I've got it connected via infrared. The infrared port is on this laptop here, and the infrared port transmitter and receiver on the iPAQ is just there. You want to do that? God blimey, that's messing with my ears because of the stereo. Anywho, right, I'm going to press yes to restart. Oh yeah, it's going to... Oh, it's reset already. Right. Let's have a go with this beast then. Now, can I connect it without disconnecting the power cable? Oh, I can. Oh, wow. Don't need that anymore then, do I? Hello. Oh. Me again. 800 by 600. A bit awkward to see. So let's see what happens now. Let's open her up, I guess. Wow! Oh, sorry, you can't see. Look, wow! It's working, look. But look. Hold on a minute. Right, anyway, look at this. Look. It's definitely working, look. Wow-wee. 1.4 megapixels. No, not 14. 1.4. That's a thumbs up for me.